Hi everyone and welcome to the live streaming. Hope you guys are fine, hope you're doing well. Just give me a couple of minutes, I just have to fix the live chat because it's not visible from the YouTube. Just a moment. There must be something wrong. Okay. So now we can see the chat. Yeah, we will be talking about the gold. Just give me a couple of minutes. Let me just fix the live chat so everyone will be able to see the chat perfectly. Okay, now it's much better so everyone can see it. Well, that's perfect. Okay, so you guys are asking for the gold. Yes, we will be talking about the gold. No worries, my friends. So before I start, let me just introduce myself for everyone who is first time attending the webinar, the live stream. I'm the Wave Master. I've been trading for 12 years and I'm full-time professional and profitable trader. And you can see all my trades, what I do, how I do on my website, tradewithmaster.eu. If you go to my website, you will see all the proven results and how I trade. So how I trade based on wave analysis. I follow the impulsive and corrective structures. I'm always interested for these strong movements. Okay, so this is for all those who are now first time there on the webinar, so you will understand what I'm doing. So let's go, let's talk about the gold. I don't have it on my watch list, but we will add it right away. So gold, we just add it so we can discuss and see what the gold is trying to do. Okay, so let me go to the daily. Gold is kinda correctively pushing lower, as we can see. Okay, so this is the structure impulse in corrective, and this looks like a corrective structure for one more leg higher. So on the longer term direction, and for the bigger trades will be to the upside. So let's see what we have on lower time frame. I want to see always the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is where I spend my time and take a decisions. So what we can see over there, I think that the gold will go anytime soon because we can see that there is no kind of strong momentum over there. So what the price will do in the future, it will start rising higher. Okay, so don't sell as it stands right now. That's not the selling spot. You should not be selling as it stands right now because you don't have good risk to reward ratio. You don't have a good stop loss placement from as it stands right now. Okay, because your stop loss should be somewhere there, but your risk to reward, it's not good because price can just go a little bit lower and then it can go for a deeper correction and you can be stopped out. Even your profit is really bad, so that's why I do not watch selling it as it stands right now. I would be interested if this goes higher, give me some pullback. Very nice corrective structure. As you can see, these are the corrective structure. Corrective structures are slow, they are not moving aggressive. As you can see there, these are the corrective structures, and this is what I search for before getting into the trade. Alright, so I will do exactly the same. I'm not interested to sell there at the bottom. Okay, so I will not be selling it over there, as I have told you. It will go up, and risk to reward ratio, it's not what I want to see. Alright, hello everyone on TradingView as well. I can see that people are joining the live streaming right now, so hello to everyone. I'm glad to see you over there. So let me just talk about what I will watch, and during the time just feel free to use the live chat. I will answer all your questions. You can ask me whatever you want, so this is the chance to ask. What I will do is Chief Yen. Okay, Chief is very looking good structurally chart, the setup. And what I will do, I will be watching this one to go lower back the trend line. This will be my target, and I will be aiming to make money over there. How many trades I will add, I have no idea. That depends on the correction. Okay, so if there will be more corrections on the way to downside, I will be adding more trades. But currently, as it stands right now, there will be just one single trade for now, and I will be aiming to tag the trend line at least. So this trend line will be my first target, my first profit taking area, and then I will see what the price will do. Okay, can price even reverse? Yes, price can do something like this, lose its strength and go for another leg higher and then drop. That's also possible. What I have to do, I will just watch and see if this corrective structure will appear over there. Then I will decide to take a break-even trades on all the sells. We'll wait for another high and then I will sell again. This is how I will trade. But for now, this is my anticipated wave, and this is what I will be trading. Okay, thanks, but we can buy for long term. What did you mean? What are you buying? Are you asking this for gold, or are you asking for the yen pairs? No. What are you asking me, guys, for buying? There is no buy on the yen pairs. I really don't see the yen for buying as it stands right now. Not even on lower time frame. No, don't buy the gold, not yet. It has to give you some more valid signs. Okay, that's not yet for buy. Okay, so what you can do, you can wait for lose its strength first. Okay, this could be the structure, but you can watch it. All right, you can watch it. You want to see there some price action. You want to see something like this as you have over there. Look those candles. Don't get in early because it doesn't mean anything. So wait and see if there will be any price action around this trend line. Then you can consider taking buys. But as long as it's dropping, don't try to be the first trader who will get into the price over there, because trend line doesn't mean that the price can go lower. Okay, this can just extend lower and it will mean nothing. Okay, the price will still go to the upside, but just be careful. Don't get into early. Like I said, that's not strategy. Okay, you can just buy based on the trend line. You will get yourself in trouble. I would rather wait couple of more candles, then I will buy. So let me just show you when I will buy. Okay, so if I will see something like this, if I see some candles that are holding over there, if I will see something like this, then I will start buying. Okay, then I will take a buy, and I will take a buy back at the trend line. This will be the buy that I'm looking for, but not as it stands right now. Okay, so there are no those candles. These candles are missing. These are the confirmation before getting into the trade. So slowly, don't rush for those trades. Euro yen is what I'm personally watching. Okay, so these are the charts that I'm watching. This is on my watch list. The rest is not that interested, and I watch to trade fully on those pairs. Euro yen is having a nice potential as well. It can go a little bit higher, but the main wave is still back at the trend line. But I'm looking all yens to go for a longer wave. Okay, longer wave, it's my point what I'm watching, because if you watch the structurally, where are all yens currently? Okay, they are at the top, and I'm watching them to go lower back at the trend line. At least this is my biggest wave, the big wave, the huge trade, which I will take and hold, of course. New Zealand yen is going already, but not strong as I anticipated. Okay, so we have to be careful, because if this now holds over there, this could still be the structure in the middle, and it can go for another leg higher. It will not mean anything, but the price will still reverse the downside. So if you're having sells from there, that's perfect. Okay, if you hold them from the top, that's perfectly fine. And you just should not be selling as it stands right now. This is the problem. If you will sell from this current standpoint, it can go up and you will be stopped out in a couple of minutes or a couple of hours. Let's say like that. Okay, so be careful. Running flat over there can appear over there. Running flat pattern can appear over there, and this could bring you some problems. So try to be in the trade earlier. Okay, not when it's almost over. Even your risk to reward ratio will be better if you will get into the trade much earlier. Pound USD, I took this sell today, and I am aiming that the price will be keep on pushing lower. Okay, I'm seeing this movement to go and touch the trend line. Trend line is something that I'm aiming currently. I'm in the trade already and will hold it. For those who are not in, you can watch maybe the lower time frame. If you get any pullback on lower time frame, you can still consider getting in. Or if you get expanded flat like it was over there, you still can get in. The price has to come down to the trend line. Still has a good potential, so I will add maybe. If I get some chance, if I get more pullback, then I will definitely get into this sell over there. Alright, so let's go forward. Euro USD, come on, why didn't delete? Okay. Same there. Euro USD, I think it will gives us a little bit bigger correction. Okay, so what I'm anticipating on the euro dollar is this is the wave 1, wave 2 the correction, wave 3. This third wave which is currently heading to the downside, it will be kind of similar like this one. It will have a stronger momentum, and this will gives us just a correction for more upside. And then the next move will be back at this trend line. Okay, so I'm still aiming that the euro dollar will hit the previous high. Okay, this high is what I see that the euro dollar will hit, and it will be a nice opportunity to take that buy. But we have to trade now this third move. Okay, third wave of the correction is what should be tradable, and where is currently the money. Okay, there is the money. This is where you can take some money out of the market. I think it's a nice 1-to-1, 1-to-2 is what you can make to break this low, and then you can change your direction and start buying. Okay, I already took the trade. I am in the sell, and we'll see how far it will take me. Okay, we'll see how far it will take me. This is the move. Ketchief still has a potential to the upside. That didn't convince me that this is the sell. Okay, so if any of you took the sell from there, or wherever, I think this is strong reaction which can push the price to the upside. So consider taking some buys rather than sells, because potential is there. It can go higher. This will be just a nice channel to the upside. Will hit the top trend line, and then it will go lower. So let me just squeeze it a little bit. We'll go something like this, and then it still has to go lower. So keep an eye over there. You can keep on adding those trades. There is a nice opportunity. Even risk to reward ratio is pretty nice, so it's worth of taking this buy over there. I'm already in the buy over there, and we'll see how far it will take me. New Zealand USD, this one is forming me the bottom. Okay, very nice bottom is what the New Zealand USD is trying to find and form. Okay, as you can see, it's coming down very slowly, and this week we will have a nice chance to find the bounce off. Okay, bounce off is what I'm searching over there, and we all should be watching for this bounce from the previous bottom to go back at the trend line. So when and how it will appear, nobody knows. Okay, but we have to watch it very closely. Okay, at least every 5 to 6 hours is what you will have to watch to see how it develops. What is it doing? Are there any price actions, and so on. Okay, so make sure that this is on your watch list as well. I will definitely watch. I'm not currently in the buy, but we'll watch to go a little bit lower. I would love to be a buyer from the lower spots, somewhere there between over there is where I will be watching for my buys. Pound yen, same there. Okay, as you can see, I'm basically selling all the yen pairs. Yen pairs is what I'm selling. Can price go there, stop there, give me the running flat, went for quick break of the top and then drop? Yes, this is what can happen. That's very possible. These running flats are really common at the top. Okay, they are common structures to form at the top. They are fast, and if you don't have a strategy, rather don't trade it because they are dangerous. But if you are going for the sell, yes, this is what you are aiming for. This is what I'm aiming. I'm currently in the sell already. Okay, I'm selling the yen pairs. This is where I will extract the money out from the market, and my target is to hit the trend line over there this week. Pound cat. Okay, this is where I still think the price will go for another leg lower. Okay, this is the move which I'm aiming, and then to go for another leg higher. So if you find the setup, if you see it going lower, if you have the rules, if you have the strategy, go for it. That's a nice trade, back at the previous low at least. Pound New Zealand. Okay, this is what I watch as well. I would love to see there some confirmations, a price action, even holding, or even a flag over there. Flag could be nice and then drop back at the trend line. At least this will be my small trade, and if it will break the trend line, then this is my bonus. This will be my bonus money. If not, I will take some profit over there, and the price will probably run for a new high. It will break all those highs over there. Definitely it will break the previous top, and then I will sell again from the previous high over there. But if this will happen, this will be next week trade. I will even consider taking that buy if the price action will tells me that it is about to reverse from this spot over there. This is the spot where I will be buying. I'm definitely never buying at the top and when the market is almost out with buys. I want to buy low and I want to sell high. This is the concept that I'm constantly sticking to. EuroCAD, I really don't trust this one. I don't think that this is reversal, total reversal. It doesn't look like that. Okay, so to me it looks more for another leg lower. It will go and hit and break all those lows and it will start to reverse. So based on that, you can watch for another sell over there. I will definitely watch for this sell over there, but depends how this will develop today. Okay, that depends how it will develop today during the day and which candles will appear, what the momentum will tell me. New Zealand USD, okay, good chart. It's going down, but I'm not watching it as the sell. I will not definitely buy as it stands right now. Okay, so as I have told you at the beginning, I'm not buying on strong aggressive candles to the downside. I will wait for this, as you can see over there. This is when I will start buying. Then I will buy, and definitely this will be the trade which I want. I want this trade because it has a nice potential, because it can go outside of this structure. So let me just draw it. Okay, this trade can go all the way back at this high. Okay, so and this is the potential that I'm aiming for. If it goes lower, I will just ignore it. Basically, I'm not in the trade, so I will really not care about it. Okay, I don't care about it, and we'll see what the price will do. But definitely buy it. It's a must for me. Alright, so do you guys have any questions? This is something that I will trade. This is what I'm expecting over there. I'm a beginner facing big loss. How to manage and learn forex. I really do recommend you sticking for this concept which I'm currently showing you. Okay, so the first thing which you have to understand is how you will analyze the chart, how you will read the structure. Okay, this is the first main part which you have to do. Then the second thing which you have to take in consideration is the strategy. You will need the strategy, how you will enter the analysis that you did. Okay, and once you will define your strategy really well, you will backtest it, and you will see that it gives you a really nice win ratio. It gives you a nice money return. Then you can start trading it. And of course, risk management is something that is really important over there. You have to write down strict rules for risk management. How much you're willing to risk, how much per trade, how many trades, and so on. These are all the rules and the things that you have to define really well. And you should not forget about the exit strategy. Exit strategy is something that you have to define really well, based on what and when you will exit. Okay, what you would love to see on the chart before you will exit it, because you know you should not be holding trades forever, and you should not be imagine something on the chart. Okay, so you have to trade what the market gives to you. If there's nothing, and if there are no rules, if you have the exit, you should get out of the trade immediately, instantaneous get out of the trade if the market is not giving you the result, or it's not behave as you have written down. Okay, and of course, mostly the most problems you'll have with defining take profit area. I see in all those years working with people, I see that people are having a lot of struggles with defining the profit taking area. It looks very, very easy, but when it comes to profit taking area, it becomes really difficult. This is where struggle begins. So these are all the things which you have to learn. Okay, all those things is what you have to learn, what you have to write down, and what you have to backtest. Okay, so if you're a beginner, just don't mix the two things that people are usually mixing. People are mixing the enter strategy and analysis. You can't trade based on analysis. You need special rules, really well defined rules, which will tell you when to enter and what you would love to see in the chart before you enter. Okay, and these are very, very different things. Two separate things which you have to completely separate. Okay, and I do recommend you write them on the list of the paper. Sit down, write them on the list of the paper, backtest and see if it works, and if it gives you a nice win percentage, then you can just go for it. Alright. So the EM pairs are really something that I would love to be in and to hold for a longer term. Pound USD did an amazing job. It went lower. So if you watched it closely just for the learning example, for the learning purpose, it went down and it gives you the correction, and the chart is just now following the previous impulse. Okay, this is the basic concept of my strategy. I'm always following impulsive and corrective structures. I'm searching for the impulse, I wait for the corrective structure, and then I prepare myself, prepare my risk management, prepare my entry rules, and then I get into the trade. Easy. And this is what you'll have to understand pretty well. Okay. Okay, so if you guys are currently writing me the private messages, I cannot answer currently on the private messages on TradingView, so I will answer all your messages a little bit later. Once the streaming will be over, then I will go and answer those messages. Hey, if you need my guidance, then you can join my team. You're free to join my team. I will welcome you. I will add you into my groups. I will give you the access to all the educational lessons, and of course we'll be working together towards your goals. You'll have full support from me. Okay, so this pound USD is moving very nice. It's already 80 pip in profit. Very nice, strong movement. Please tell the analysis on dollar or gold. We've been talking already on the gold, but yeah, there is nothing special, as I have mentioned at the beginning of the webinar. I will not be buying as it stands right now. Okay, so what you would love to see there, you have to watch. You have to watch now. Sit down and wait for any reactions. Okay, so something like this, something like this. This is what you're searching for. You want to see any reaction before getting into the trade. You should not be buying into those red candles which are just pushing down, because this is just how it not works. Okay, but that depends on your entry rules. What are your rules to enter the market? Okay, everyone is using the different rules, and it's okay. It's totally fine, but you have to define them really well. You should not be entering the market based on analysis. I tried that and it didn't work for me. Okay, at the beginning of my career, I really just thought that everything about trading is just about how I make the analysis, and that's really not the case. Okay, I really figure out that that's not the case. That's the minimum. Analysis is basically just to define where to enter, where to place your stop loss, and where it is worth to taking the risk to find out if this next trade will work or not. Okay, this is all what the analysis stands for, nothing else. Trading, it's more about the executing and risk management. This is what trading is all about. So make sure that you are focusing on those two things. I've been working with a lot of traders that they are really good traders. They are making amazing analysis, and the trades or the setups really do follow their analysis perfectly well. But what was the problem? The guy was not able to execute it. So he was not able to make money on his analysis. This was the biggest problem that he was struggling with. He made his analysis perfectly well, but he couldn't make money out of those analyses because he didn't know how to execute. He didn't learn how to execute properly. And that was the problem. So don't focus that much on analysis. Alright, the anti-strategy rules is what you really need to generate consistent profit. Okay, but once you master all those things, it's easy to progress, to move forward, and to develop our consistent profits. He was struggling for pretty well because he was over analyzing when he was in the trade. But that's just one of the success stories. Okay, so once again, please guys, don't send me the private messages. I cannot answer them and will not answering them on live chat, on live streaming, sorry. Use the live chat. I will answer all the live questions. This is the live Q&A, so make sure you use this chance to ask me anything. Okay, you can write down what you're having the most problems with, so where you're struggling, what are your problems. would you like to discuss about any struggles, any problems that you're having on the market or with the trading especially? Okay, if this is the all, then I will slowly end the webinar over there. Okay, just to sum up everything, I will just go to the charts that you should be watching and how I'm watching. So this is what I do. I do anticipate a nice sell over there, a nice sell over there as well. New Zealand yen not much anymore. It could slow down probably and then bounce off, so will not watch it anymore. For the sell pound USD, it's something that I'm currently in, and if there will be any pullback, any correction, then you can still get in. It could be even a deeper pullback. This is something that I will get in. I will add in. Sorry. Euro USD, same there. I watch this as a corrective structure, 1, 2, 3, and this is what I will do. Okay, this is what I am aiming back at the trend line. This is where my eyes are, and this is my direction. Catch if I'm watching this to go for another leg higher. Can break down, yes it can. Okay, nothing can stop from doing this. So, but I'm watching for the buy. Okay, so I'm not watching this as the sell, definitely for the buy. New Zealand CAD, I will watch this to give me some good signs of reaction, signs of reversal, so probably to struggle over there, and then I will take the buy over there. It's really good buy, and for me, very good risk to reward ratio. Okay, my risk to reward ratio will be good, and let's see what is the risk reward ratio that I'm aiming for. Okay, so this is the risk to reward ratio that I'm aiming for, 1 to 4. This is the trade that I'm waiting for and will be waiting for next couple of hours, definitely next couple of candles. Sorry, pound yen already going, but I'm still anticipating that this will go lower back at the trend line at least, but it can still stop somewhere there. I will take in consideration this option as well, and will be careful for another leg higher and then drop. Pound CAD, same there. This one can go for another leg lower over there. Pound New Zealand, same there. Some struggle over there and then another leg lower back at the trend line at least. Would be great if there will be any confirmation as it did over there. Confirmation and then going lower, but I will watch it and see how it will develop during the day today. Pound CAD, Euro CAD, sorry, Euro CAD, same, nothing for me yet. Okay, nothing for me, but sell, it's something that I will watch for. New Zealand USD as well. Okay, I'm not interested in any of these sells. Okay, this sell, it's what I'm not interested. Can go lower, yes it can. This could be all, this could be all, and the price is heading down, will tag the previous bottom and will go up. I'm really not worried about that sell. I really don't want taking this sell because again, I will be buying back at a trend line, and this is where I will make the money. But I have to be patiently waiting. I have to patiently wait and see how this develops over there. Okay, so this is mostly what I'm currently watching, what I will be watching, and what I will be trading basically. So let's leave this webinar open for next couple of minutes. If there are any questions, feel free to use the live chat. I can see the chats and I will be answering all your questions. So make sure that you use the channels now and ask me anything that bothers you. If you have any problems, any struggles, any emotional problems, psychological problems, and so on, feel free to ask. Share anything that bothers you. if you guys want to see how I do trade, how I trading, how my accounts are going, you have the proven results on my website, tradewithmaster.eu. You can go there, just simply click the link below the video, it's in the description box. You can just hit the link and check all the results over there. These are from the trading prop firms, and you can check all of them. These are the proven results. Okay, prop firms are a really good chance for all of those who are searching where to get the money from. Okay, so really nice chance to grab their capital, and of course if you have the skills and knowledge, it's the chance. It's a really good chance. Alright, so everyone, I will end the webinar right in and there. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified when we are going live next time. And till the next time, I wish you a lot of luck and take care and enjoy your day. Bye bye everyone.